Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you what are the filters in our production process, how you can apply those filters and what data you can check with those filters. So first of all, let us click on browse module and let's go to our production module. Now, once we come in the production, please check on each and every stage there is a filter on all production process, work orders, subcontract, bill of materials. So what is the use of this filter and how you can use it? So let us start from the production process. Here, this by clicking on this filter, you can go ahead and quickly see the process stages, that all production process which are in all process stage, planned, pending, WIP, completed. You can go ahead and quickly check specific production processes which are in planned or in pending or in WIP or are in completed. So this is how you can go ahead and just change the filters, and then after you can see those production process and can take the action in bulk as well. Talking about next, status. So here you can see approved, approval pending, testing pending, repair pending, cancel. So let's take an example. Here it is in WIP. Now I can simply just go ahead and see that which one are approved, which one are approval pending, which one are in testing pending, which are in the repair pending. So this will give me a quick visibility that which processes are in which stage. Here is the all production process, master plus child, or directly master process. So this is how, by using the filters, you can go ahead and check the details of production process in multiple stages. Also, if I go on the work order or subcontract, here as well you will be able to go ahead and check the open, plan, pending, WIP, completed. Same goes with the subcontract. So this is how you can use the filters in order to go ahead and get the exact data from production module. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the production stages quickly. Have a good day ahead.